Well, good morning, good morning. I got lots of help this morning. Looky here.
Hi.
And what are you doing, Debbie?
Painting the cabinet, the only cabinet that we have in here in the kitchen right now.
All right.
For the sink and stuff.
And I'm putting in the dishwasher back there.
No.
I'm sorry, washing machine dryer. So, I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up to record. The battery might be kind of low, but I'm going to set it up and just kind of do a time lapse so you can watch me.
The equipment took a lot of.
Huh?
A heavy piece of equipment and took a lot of heave-ho to get it.
Boy, it did. I had to do a lot of figuring, didn't I, baby? To get that thing in there. Okay. And I still got a little bit of figuring, but I'll get it.
It's easier than the first part.
Getting it up those stairs was the hard part.
Making that turn there. Navigating the turn.
I didn't do it.
Good morning. Good. How are you guys? The boys are all gone. Yeah. Bicycles. I bet they were too. Yeah, I was waiting to call because I didn't want to wake you up. Well, we should do something. I just haven't had any good ideas what to do. Okay. Have any idea? Oh. Yeah. Papa was so excited to get the washer and dryer thing in, so that's what he's been doing this morning. He's got it, finally got it in. Yes. Yes, so I tried to get him to, yes, I tried to get him to get help, but I told the Lord while I go, I said, Lord, you help him because he won't accept help from anybody else. Yeah, just, you know, it's in here and he's getting up in its spot now. So, yeah. Yeah, he had to figure out a way to do it because it would fit in the door hole fine, but then there's a little turn there, which, yeah, so we had to hook it up and use a come-along to pull it in and put it on rollers and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, yes, and so I'm painting the only cabinet that we have in here so far, the kitchen area, which is going to be that greenish color. So I'm working on painting, and then we thought we'd do something this afternoon with you guys, but I don't know what. So Hello.
Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Deb and I've been working on the bus this morning, having a really good time. You want to show them what we did?
Okay. I can't see where I'm pointing.
Oops, sorry. There you go.
Okay. Oh, that's what I did. I painted the only cabinet we actually have in here right now, which is the one where the sink will go. And what Jim did, of course, by himself, because he doesn't really ask for help very much, he brought in the washer dryer combo and put it in place. Yay! Which is really exciting to have that there. And that was a big job. And getting it through the door and around the corner and up here, and so it's starting to look good.